The main question that arises in our mind is, what is color grading? So, color grading is basically improving the look of the video or any image. Let's start the video now. Open the video in Kinemaster Application. Click on the video and go to Color Filter. Here there are many ready-made color filters that you can use for better viewing experience. This was the easiest way of doing color grading. We can do it manually also. Again, click on the video and go to Adjustments. Here you have to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, vibrance, temperature, highlights, shadows, gain, gamma and lift. The left end is always for the blacks, and the right end is always for whites. Now you have to adjust the setting according to the video. All the videos have different color grading system. Try all the various settings and see how the video looks. Don't make it too dark or too light. Watch our settings carefully for better understanding. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates.
Won't you take me home? Give me a reason to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.